What is up, my dudes and dudettes? Today I'm going to be putting RS4 style honeycomb grill on the Audi A4. It's gonna give it that nice mint fresh look that I'm looking for. I was lucky enough to get this grill for my birthday, which is awesome. My super awesome family members came together, ordered this grill for me for my birthday, and I couldn't be more grateful because between that and the spoiler and the diffuser, you're looking at easily over $1,000, $1,200 worth of parts. And I was kind of putting it off because of how expensive it was. So for them to buy me this $300 to $400 grill, super blessed, super grateful. It's gonna really transform the look of this car. This is like one of the most exciting upgrades that I'm gonna be doing to it. This and the spoiler, I think, are gonna just totally transform this car. So with that being said, let's get after it. But I wanna show you this real quick. If you've been watching my shorts, you know that I've been having a rat and mouse problem around the house. They're getting into all the vehicles. They're getting into the RV. They're getting into the S4. They're living in the engine bay of the S4. I found them in my cabin air filter in both trucks. I haven't found them in the A4 yet, thank God, but I bought this wash mitt specifically for washing the A4, and I've been keeping it in this bag, in this bucket, in the shed with my detailing supplies just to make sure it stays clean and fresh. I go to pull it out today so I can wash the car, and look, the whole bag is just full of acorns. So those little bastards are in everything. I got traps set out everywhere. I've killed easily 24 mice over the past couple months, but it's wartime. I need to figure something else out because they're gonna just destroy all my stuff. So, but anyways, that's not what the video is about. Let's get this grill on. So I just wanted to show you the grill that's on here. This is obviously the stock grill, and a lot of the paint is just peeling off from rock chips. Yeah, it just looks lame. It's just not a cool grill at all. I'm also switching out these fog light. These are honeycomb, but they're like a flat black, and they have the base like backing behind it, whereas the new one is it's just honeycomb and it's see-through. There's no backing on it, and it's a gloss black, so it's gonna match the grill, so that's cool. And there you have it, guys. Mouse poop in the engine bay too. Those little bastards, man, they need to all die. All right, now we got to take off some of these trim pieces so we can access some screws, pull the bumper off. We're gonna have to get in the wheel well. Whoops. Another one of these T25s right here. Too much. 2, 3, up. Right above the tire to like this bumper line right here where it meets this fender. You're gonna peel back that wheel well right there. I'll try to get you a shot of this. Okay, that hex head bolt that you can see back there, I believe that needs to come out. I'm gonna do that same thing to the driver's side now, but I'm not gonna film it because it's too hard. So once you've got all those off, you just start popping it out. Okay, before you pop it off, take off this electrical connection right here. This was sitting in there like that. I just pulled it right out, and then you can undo that electrical connection, or you can just set this whole thing up here and not even unplug it. So let's be sure to disconnect these fog lights. Okay, now I think it can come off. I think I just need to take out these T20s, and then it looks like the rest is just clips, so let's see what happens. Right, what a pain in the butt that was. Just that one corner was sticking. And I think it's this inside clip right here that you don't really see when you got the grill on. That was fighting me and I didn't realize it, so yeah. Watch out for that clip right there. Good thing I didn't break it. If you're using a drill, go very slow and don't over torque it down. That looks freaking amazing. Well, that was too easy. Let's put the Audi rings on and then we'll pop the bumper on. Right, so in the box, we got the Quattro emblem. That is sick. All right, so I thought I had black rings and chrome rings, but it only comes with the chrome. I think you're supposed to select that at checkout, which I guess we missed. But this goes here as a backing, and then the rings go on top of that. This screws on from the back, so I'll put that on real quick, and then we'll pop the black Audi rings off the other grill. Okay, now we got to get these black Audi rings out of here without breaking it. Let's see how eBay to eBay fits. Definitely not a great fit on these Audi rings. The bottom is not clipping in. We'll have to address that later. Then we got this is gonna be my favorite part here. Quattro. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We also have the RS4 logo, but that's not going on because this is not an RS4. So we will keep that. And we got the European mounting plate. Don't want that. Okay, one other thing that I'm gonna do, probably mask some stuff off and just hit that crash bar with some black spray paint, because with this grill, you're gonna see it. With this old grill, it's covered by these sections of the grill that are just covered in plastic, but this one's wide open. Crash bar is gonna just stick out like a sore thumb, dude. So, I don't know, I guess I gotta hit it with some spray paint right quick. So, personal preference on that step, I prefer not to see any brushed metal or chrome. So just let that dry for a bit and we'll slap this bumper on. If you are gonna spray paint it, you should get some plastic and cover your whole car. I got a slight breeze going that direction away from all the cars. Very, very, very light breeze. So I'm rolling the dice on the overspray. But yeah, you could definitely get overspray all over your car if you're not careful.
What about the other side pieces, though?
Oh, crap.
You seriously forgot about those?
Yes. Oh my gosh, you guys. My wife just came out and reminded me I forgot to put these on. So let's do that real quick. Luckily, it's really easy. It pops right out. I'll show you on this one. Boom. Simple as that. Okay, so the mount for this guy was mounted inside the old grill. This isn't something we're even going to use. I don't have an automatic garage door opener, but it'll probably throw a code or something stupid, some kind of stupid light on the dash if I don't leave it hooked up. So probably just going to zip tie it. Maybe I'll zip tie it to this crash bar. Yeah. That way it's out of the way and you can't see it. All right. All right, for these little clips, just push the pin. Don't do that. Push the pin back up above the washer head. Just put it back in. Like so. Then push that pin back into it like so. Dang, son. That looks so much better. Holy cow. And I am really, really, really glad that I painted that crash bar, because that would stick out like a sore thumb. There's so much black going on that would look terrible. So I'm really glad I did that. It only took me an extra couple minutes. So update on the Audi rings. This is hopefully a temporary solution, having these lower zip ties, because the top snapped in really well. The bottom would not snap at all. It was like 1/8 of an inch off from this clip even making contact. So got some black zip ties on there right now. You cannot see it if you back up. If I didn't tell you guys, you probably wouldn't have seen it. Hopefully it's a temporary solution. Hopefully I can come up with something else. In the meantime, that's gonna have to work. But yeah, really glad I did the trim bezels around the fog lights too, because let's see. Let's pull one of these out. The differences are subtle, but enough to really make a difference. So this is a dull black, and it has this belt line that goes through it. Wasn't really a fan of that. That's a much cleaner look, and it's a gloss black, so I really like that. But yeah, anyways guys, that's a wrap. That was super easy. I think it took me about 2.5 hours, maybe 3. Kind of lost track of time, I don't know, but really not bad. As far as working on Audis go, that was about the easiest thing I've ever done. So yeah guys, literally a 10mm and a T20, and that is it. Some extensions, a drill, that's all you need. A trim tool, obviously a jack and jack stands. Super stoked right now. I didn't break any clips, which is a miracle. So anyways, we got other projects to do this car. If you want to see what it looks like when it's done, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.